making me crazy. They drive me utterly mad. I'm mental because of my mother. I'm losing it thanks to my dad. My mom tells me, "Daddy, your homework," and Dad yelling, "Vacuum the floors." Then Mom says, "Turn off the TV now," and Dad follows, "Finish your chores." With all of this browsing and gripping, my brain is beginning to hurt. I feel like I'm losing my marbles. If I go bananas today, then please give this note to my parents when the